What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Riveria254, and I'm bringing you for an update on a new video, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed the trunk. Not the trunk. How I fixed my fuel release door.
I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas
For free. Slight mods, nothing major. As you can see now, when I hit the button, my door come flying open, just all willy-nilly type. So what I did, it was actually real simple. This part here was just kind of bent out a little bit too far, to where even when it was opening, it was still getting caught. So the way I was able to adjust this was, if you look inside the trunk, on the inside there's a switch right there, up under here. You hit that, and it's gonna open your tank. I'll do it one more time for you. Boom. So the whole time I'm prying on the shit at the gas station, all I had to do was open the trunk, hold it, boom. But now the way that I got it adjusted, as soon as I hit the button, it pops open on some OG shit. So, like I said, the car had been sitting, man. It really just needs some love, man. Dust and whatever else. So we gotta go get some gas today. I was gonna do a whole magnet walk through and all that, and go to the store and buy some shit. Just thought I'd do some research and see. I actually had saw something in the trunk that said fuel trunk release pulley, pull this, some shit like that. I don't remember where it is, but I know I saw it. So yeah, man, my next step is to figure out what I can use to successfully put these back on. I just took them out with some pliers, but when you do that, it kind of gets them marred up, depending upon how you do it. The guys at Discount Automotive, they did the best they could. They wouldn't even, technically they're not supposed to touch them, you know what I'm saying? So Buddy was nice enough to go ahead and attempt to get them off of me. I told him I'd go out there and do it my damn self, because I ain't never scared. So the two front ones I took off at the crib. They did the two back ones, and they took off this here that connects to the inside of there, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much the whole assembly. So I'm gonna get them put back on, so you know I don't lose my lug nuts and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't lose my hubcaps. But it would be nice to actually have the right tool, you know what I'm saying, that was made for this, so that I can put them on correctly, you know what I'm saying, the right way. It really just looked like something with a small indentation. Like maybe we could, I don't know, like maybe could a tool be made? I'm sure somebody got something. And hell, if I might even let me look a little bit more, man, and see if I can't find nothing.